Away you go, Brian. Please take the floor.
Thank you, Brock. Hi, everyone. So basically, what we'll be doing over the next couple of days is creating yourselves as ambassadors for Eventbrite. And what you'll see when you get to eventbrite.co.uk, just come to this side. If you sign in, I've already signed in, so I've skipped that process, but I'll just do it to be thorough. So once you get to eventbrite.co.uk and you sign in, you enter your details here and you log in. And I'm already an ambassador, but you need to go to the top right here and go manage my events. That will bring up a list of all the events, and we prefer to use calendar. It just seems to be the quickest and easiest way to navigate and find events. It takes a few seconds to populate. But what I'm going to try and show you first is a standard event. So this is an event that's not reoccurring. It's just a one-off. And if you click on it and go to edit event, you aren't able to actually edit much of the event. So obviously, please try not to edit these details. I think when you try to, you'll see that it will not permit you to. I'm just going to move this out the way. I try and save this, it doesn't let me. So the good thing is you can't make any changes in here, but what you're interested in is the manage attendees section. And if you scroll down here, you have the attendee list. That brings up the attendee list for this event. And because of the restrictions, you can't actually see the online report. What you have to do is just download this as PDF, and it produces this PDF with all the attendees, whether they are a member or guest, and they purchased that ticket, whereas they all attended under free orders. But that'll give you your full attendee list for the day. I want to go back because it's a little bit different for recurring events. So the open house is a good example. That happens, that's a scheduled event we've put in continuously. And this one here. So I think this is a recurring, yes, it is. So you can tell it's a recurring event by the little icon in the top left here. So if you go to this event, you'll notice that manage attendees won't display the list option because there are multiple events. You need to go to the schedule and pick the one you're interested in, which is this one here, and manage. And that will then give you the option to see the full list of attendees. That's the only difference, really. It only happens for scheduled events, but as you can see, you can still get to the event list and you can produce them in preparation.
I was going to say that's tomorrow morning. Let's see who's going to Weybridge.
And Brian, this is all under eventbrite.co.uk, correct?
That's correct.
Okay.
So what we'll be doing is in the back end of Eventbrite, we've got to create yourselves as ambassadors or invite you to be, I think it's called ambassadors. I think the role is Brock, right? I think it was, yeah, ambassador roles.
Yes.
And then when you log in, you'll have that option to go in the top right to manage my events up there. So are there any questions at this stage on that? What is that? Pretty self-explanatory.
I think like anything, they're gonna you'll need to do it a few times before you get used to it. Obviously, it's simple once you've done it a few times. So that's why we wanted to record it. Play it back several times.
From what you're saying, we haven't yet been registered as ambassadors with Eventbrite. Is that correct?
That's correct.
Yeah.
We'll be doing that this afternoon.
Thank you.
And Bill, so what Brian has to do is he has to put in each individual's email address and register them. So I would assume, Brian, they'll be getting an email saying you're now an ambassador to go check it that way. Is that correct?
That's correct. So I'm logged in as an ambassador now, so I can't do the invites, but we'll be doing that, yes, shortly. You'll receive an email, accept the invitation, and you'll see exactly what we see when you log into Eventbrite shortly after.
Thank you.
I would suggest this is just a thought process came through. I'll send this recording out to all ambassadors after this, but then if we send this recording out with your email as well, just so people have to go find it again, that way they've got their login plus this video should take care of it all.
Fantastic. Are you all registered on Eventbrite? I assume you are.
Yeah, they would be, otherwise they'd never get to event.
Okay, fantastic. I think
I might not be registered because, as Brock knows, I don't actually.
Mike has a personal assistant.
I knew that.
Mike has a personal assistant. Now, quickly, James has asked a question in the actual chat, and you're absolutely right, James. We take care of creating the events for you. This, you don't have to worry about that. This is just for you to be able to check your attendance.
Fantastic. Okay, so the second part of this call, we wanted to just talk about the affiliate link and how that works. The reason is we sent out quite a few affiliate links. I think Annie would have sent you a few, which have full links with various products attached to them. And I just want to show you the difference between and how that works. So the affiliate link, if you look up here, this is the yourpartnerships.co.uk URL, website address. And at the end of it, it's got this question mark ref equals that number. This is actually Brock's number, 156.
I recognize that number, yes.
I think he's tattooed it on his arm. But that's basically the only difference. That is actually your unique affiliate code, and we've sent it through to you in some capacity in the past. But the main thing about this is if you were to add your referral code to the end of this, your number, and just say 89, something like that, if I was number 89, and you sent this to someone, they would then land on the Your Partnerships website, and anytime over the next week, any browsing that they're doing, for any purchases they make, you will receive that commission. That's how the affiliate system actually works. It's got a 7-day period attached to it. So if they use your link in any capacity to get to the site in any format, and anything they purchase within that 7-day period, you'll automatically get that commission. So I know a lot of people have been sending out the product URL with the referral code attached to it, like that, where people would land on that product and literally purchase it straight away. You're more than welcome to do that. All you need to do, any link you want to send to people, whether it's the home page, a certain product, all you need to do is add your affiliate link to the end of it, and they will then, you'll receive the commission for any purchases they make over that week. So I think that's also covers that point. If you need your affiliate codes, please email us. Annie or myself would be happy to send them out to you. It is literally just your number with the question mark ref equals attached to it. So it's as simple as that.
And if you're not sure what code you use, just use 1561. It's fine, not a problem.
So, Brock, is there anything else you think I may not have covered, or does anyone have any questions?
Well, I'll say, do people have questions about the affiliate link itself? I think that'd be the big one.
I put a comment in the chat about mine. I think I've got mixed up with mine, Brian. You might need to send mine again, because I think the first one that you sent me, or someone sent, Annie might have sent me the wrong one, and then I used it a couple of times, and I think I had a couple of people sign up, but it wasn't logged. But then I think I sent you sent the other one, but I've completely lost it.
Okay, absolutely, Mark.
It was all right. It's resend again, buddy. That'd be great. I wouldn't mind having a chat with you, Brock, about which people have signed up off the back of me giving them the wrong one as well.
Okay, no problem.
I think Tony Pilling's one of them.
Okay, no problem.
I think, has he signed up? He should have done.
Yeah, I'm sure he has. Yes, yes, yes.
Yeah.
Tony, Brian, just so I'm clear, when we're giving out that link, if we put, for the website, we put the /product and then the question mark reference, that goes right into the pricing page? Or does that go open to the whole website?
Okay, sorry, Bija, could you repeat that?
Okay, if I give out yourpartnerships.co.uk /product, then / and my affiliate link, does that go right into the pricing page, or does that open up the whole web page?
That will most probably end up with a 404 error. So each product has its own unique.
Okay, so it's got to be the membership -global and then our number.
Exactly, that's correct.
Okay,
So if you
okay.
wanted to send them a specific product, if you just hover over this, or if you just open this in a new tab, you'll see that has corporate membership after product.
Correct, okay.
I would then just add.
We're not seeing your share right now, Brian. If you want to show us.
Oh, sorry about that.
Yep.
So what I would do is just add. So every product, if you have a look here, has a unique URL. So this one's called product membership.
Right.
This one's called product online membership. This one is called sponsor membership and corporate membership. So if you just open this in a new tab, you can take that link and then just add
The number.
!ref equals and your number to the end of
Okay.
it.
Gotcha.
And they'll go straight to that link. That's correct.
Okay. All right, gotcha.
Cool.
Are there any more questions at all?
Yeah, well, yeah, I'm full of them. Okay, so when I send an American to this page, that still is going to be showing the UK pricing, correct?
Yep.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. All right. Okay.
I think Mark had a question.
Yeah, going back to Eventbrite. So you want us to log in as you?
As yourselves.
Sorry, as us, as ambassadors, and the goal is to get the attendee list of events that you're promoting. And then what? What do we do with that list?
Well, I was going to say, Mark, that's really, I'd step in there. Mark, it's not really going to be applicable to you because you're not hosting any events themselves. So it's really for people that are hosting to be able to look at who they're expecting on that call. And, or for example, let's say that someone, let's say Bill, for example, he's been sending out some marketing to boost his attendance on his Tuesdays. He might want to check every now and then to say, oh.
Okay. So,
So
do you
sorry.
Like that would be relevant. Do you remember my networking event last year?
Yeah, there you go, like that. Yes, yeah. Like that. Yep. And then you'd be able to look at. I mean, you're more than welcome to host more networking or anything like that, Mark. That's
I want to do another one in Brighton this time. Yeah.
I'm not going to ask why you want to do it in Brighton. This is a recorded call.
Sometimes ignorance is bliss.
There we go. I'll leave it alone.
Yeah. Okay, I'll stop that.
Okay.
All right. Cool.
I'm gonna go ahead and stop the recording because I think that's enough information, everybody, because so the file doesn't get too long. So, but people can still ask questions. So if you're getting recording, we're stopping now. You might have missed an important question. Should have been here. Bye.